Now, this is my advice to those that want to learn crypto trading. My name is Eniblis and I create content on crypto, finance, how to make money online, tips and advice for young people. Now, in today's video, I'll be teaching you and I'll be telling you my advice. I'll be giving you an advice if you want to start trading from beginning. Now, this is what I will do personally if I want to start trading as a career. Let's go. Now, in this video, I'll be breaking it down into different steps. Now, the first stage is the learning stage. Now, if you want to learn crypto trading, you have to dedicate some time for you to learn it right. Now, you have to dedicate some time, which is in the space of 3 months. Now, this first 3 months, what you'll be doing is learning, acquiring knowledge. You have to learn what they call, what's the meaning of crypto trading, advanced tip on crypto trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, blockchain. Now, after learning this, then you now go on trading strategy. Now, this is the time of building your trading strategy, or if you have a mentor, this strategy is what he will be teaching you on how to build that strategy. Now, once you're done building your strategy in that space of 3 months, now you have to go and learn practicing, because it's not about writing, because there is a proverb that says it's not about writing and reading a book about swimming that will teach you about swimming. You have to go to the water and swim. So it's not all about learning about crypto trading. You have to practice it without losing real money. That is where Bybit demo account comes in. Now, you can use Bybit or any other platform, but I prefer Bybit. Now, what this will help you do is that it will help you trade on how you trade on a real account, on real money, but not with your real money. You're not losing your real money. It's just fake money that you're using to trade, so that you can master and build that skill set. Now, once you are done with that, you can do that for 1, 2 or 3 months to master it if you want to make sure you go far on trading, because this is the time you are building yourself and preparing for what to come. Now, you can start with depositing. After that time, you can start with depositing a good amount. Maybe you can start small too, so you don't make mistake, because some people, the emotion that they use to trade with the demo account is not the same emotion that they used to say with real money. Because real money, they want to multiply, they want to make it, because they have seen that they are doing well in the demo account. Now they want to rush into making more money with the real money, and they lose what they have. Because trading is most of the time psychologically. You have to make sure you keep your brain disciplined, follow your strategy, and don't go astray from it. Now, after that, after mastering it, you have to go on, because you make mistake. Yeah, you make some mistake, but have a mentor so you don't make much mistakes. But you have to pass through that little phase of mistake before you know what you're doing. Make sure your trading risk management is a strong one. Make sure you have a strong risk management, because once you have a strong risk management, you can survive to make it big. Now, let me explain something for you. There are 2 people. Now, these 2 people have $100 in their account, and one of them is a risky guy. He does go big or go home. And what he does is that he used $10 out of that his $100 to trade. He won big. The second one, he traded $20. He lost half of it. He traded $30. He won $20. He got a profit of $20. Then he said he wanted to use $50 to trade, and he lost everything. He did not manage his funds very well. He did not manage his capital. He went to revenge trading and he lost everything because he didn't put a stop loss on his trade. And they have a female trader who still have $100. Now, what she does is that she says she'll be using $5 for every single trade. Now, she used $5 for one trade, she lost. She used $5 for second trade, she lost. The third trade she used $5 for, she made a profit of $20, which have cleared 2 of her losses, and she's making extra $10 on top. Now she continued that way, and soon enough, after the days run out, there were some losses, but the profit was more than the losses because she did risk management. I urge you to make sure you tight up your risk management and use a strategy that works in crypto trading so you don't make a mistake. That is in futures. Now in sports, it's not that difficult. If you want to go into sports trading, which is buying when it's low and selling when it's high, you just need to know fundamental analysis and technical analysis to predict the coin when it's going to rise, if it's an uptrend or a downtrend, and your trend lines. Learning all that will help you make a good decision in sport trading. So after that, you make sure you work on your psychological aspects and your discipline. Make sure you stay consistent, do not go back on your strategy, and keep on hitting it every day. If you're the one that already started, you will succeed, and don't give up on crypto trading. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video when next I upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. My name is Eniblaze, and I'm growing a community of young like-minded people. If you want to join this group here, I post updates every day on crypto and different ways to make money online. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the link and my WhatsApp link to join the group. I also have a Telegram group, so the link will be there. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.